Stoner Prairie Dairy here in Fitchburg, Wisconsin, and I'm on the Farm Bureau Board here in Dane County. And for a number of years, my brother and I have been very active in the Ag in the Classroom program, and we feel it's very important to teach young people about farming so they know where their food comes from, and because we understand that the students of today are going to be the voters and the people that determine legislation and agricultural policy in the future. So we go about this. I think it's very important that we have the opportunity to expose young people to what's going on in our farms today.
My name is Jackie Smith and I teach 5th grade bilingual at Leopold Elementary School. I'm also really interested in the milking process of how they milk and if everybody does it by hand, because I think they've seen pictures. Some of them have had experiences with hand milking in Mexico, so it's really kind of neat to see it for them to be able to make the connections and put it together, and also relate to the idea of technology and that how, although this is an industry that's been in Wisconsin for a really long time, it's also been changing. So they can kind of use technological and engineering knowledge as well.
My name is Iris Husky. I'm a 4th grade teacher from Aldo Leopold Elementary. I'm just hoping basically that our students will get experience on the farm and learn about what farming is in Wisconsin. Most of our students came from Mexico, and so their view of a farm in Mexico is a lot different than a dairy farm in Wisconsin.
You want to go fast or slow?
Okay. Is everybody happy?
They were ecstatic that they were able to come to the farm. Many of them have not seen animals up close, and they've read a lot about Wisconsin in the books, but haven't ever been able to experience a farm firsthand. I think our class will, if we can, we'll be back every year. I think it's very valuable for them to see it and see it over again and remind them of all the hard work that people are doing here in Wisconsin to make a dairy farm successful.
Nice game.